So I'm in a VS Code, and in the previous lecture we studied the basic structure of an HTML. So if you have not watched that video, go into my CodeWithYash channel, do subscribe and watch these videos. So coming to the point, today we will be having a more precise look on the head tag. So I will make it tut2.html. So here, as we all know, we will have our boilerplate first. So if you don't know how I did this, so I press shift plus 1 key or the exclamation mark, and with the abbreviation I typed the whole thing. So let us name this tut2, and so my previous port is open. I will close that and go live again. So you can see I have tut2 here. So I have shortened it by using Alt Z in this way. So first we have metadata of character set. We all know that metadata is the data of data. We are telling that our body will be like this. We will use this character set. These are for mainly for the browser. So first is meta character set. We will use the character set UTF-8, which is the latest UTF-8. Second is name viewport. It is like an attribute which has name viewport. So it is for our viewing. We will view it in any other device. So the content or the you say the value is width minus width. So it means that the width of the website will be device minus width. So it makes our website more responsive, and the initial scale we will be giving is of 1.0. Initial scale 1.0. So, and this is very easy. It's the title. So let us learn a more meta text. So I have a meta text. So in this way we define it. Firstly we will type name. There is a name type description. So this is for description. Like if you go and if you search anything like so we search web development, then you can see this with the headings. There is a short explanation. This is the description which we are writing here. I know that we don't have a ranking or SEO so that we can rank, but it is for our learning. So description, but our description will be content. It is only a name is only an attribute, so we are defining that this thing will be our description. So we can write only in this way that this is our description. So I don't. So this is our description. There's another metadata. If you don't know how I am multiplying this, so it is because of a keyboard shortcut that you can configure by going in this. Go to the keyboard shortcuts, and here you have to search for copy lines. Here you can see copy lines down. I have made it Control D, so you can make anything that you have used much. So I will click here and press. So now if I press Control D, then we can change this description to something known as keywords. This is used when like someone is searching the web, and then only he can get to your page by keywords. So we can write, if I'm making an HTML or HTML tutorial, so I will write HTML HTML tutorials, web development. Okay, so this was another, and the last one is robots. So it is robots. Robots doesn't take any content in this way. Robots means that it is a permission for the web browsers that if you type here no index, no follow. So it means that any of the web browser cannot follow your no follow means that they cannot have their inner links which you will embed in your icon, and no index means that it will not be displayed simple. The web browser cannot get here. But usually we have no index and follow. So this is the head tag, guys. It's a bit is not as it is not much difficult. Head tag doesn't consist much thing, and yeah, I will consider making something for you. Like we know that if we write like tut.css, then it is CSS file. But you know what? We how we will link this file to this file? There is no link, so we also link them in the head section. So to link this, you have to type link, and now you will see an option link as CSS. So click on this. So you can see reference is a style sheet, and href means its name. So its name is tut. Okay. So if you want to check, just it is saying that follow link or control click. If you follow link, we are going here. Okay. So this is the way for inserting a CSS. But what if you want to insert a HTML? Say tut. No, sorry, HTML. It's JavaScript. So if you want to include a JavaScript, so to include that, we have to simply type. Sorry, we have to type script, and we have to use script src here. So as typing this, now we have script src. Now we will have tut.js. So it is done. Tut.js is a file. So let's confirm. Control plus click, and we are here. Okay. So now we have learned that what are these things, and I will also consider telling you guys that I am providing notes for you in the form of Google Docs file. So do have these notes if you want anything, and do practice because this is not a big topic. But in the next video, we will start working in the body section and using attributes and making HTML files and websites. So thank you for watching, guys, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you once again, and I will see you next time.